Hello, everyone. I'm so excited to be here with you today. I'm with my friend David Sakin, and we are introducing a 3-part series that we want to invite you to. You can check the dates out in the information below, but this is a program that's going to really help you appreciate the gap between science and spirituality, and we're going to be discussing how emerging science and research is redefining how we understand ourselves and our relationships to each other. So, David, love being with you. We always have the most amazing conversations exploring this field of energy. So perhaps you can just quickly share, like, what are you going to bring? What are we going to talk about?
Yeah, so I'm very excited about it. You know, in the past year, we've been communicating and studying together and see how much there is in common between science and spirituality, science and consciousness. And especially when we talk about the ancient wisdom of Kabbalah, that's the wisdom that actually predicted that all those universal laws, as they appear to us spiritually, they must also give us physical evidence. And now, with all the development of science and research and measurement and data, we can bring those as evidence that consciousness can really change a reality. So we're going to exercise it in different levels. So understanding the art on one end, healing, which is so important, emotional healing, physical healing, and of course the power really to connect to my internal being. This is going to be very powerful. What do you think, me?
I love it. And for those of you who are listening, just from my perspective as a doctor, as a radiologist, interpreting MRIs, scans, and CT scans, I'm going to help bring reference to what Einstein said. He said, look, future medicine is the medicine of frequencies. So with new perspectives of emerging science, layered on with what David's going to be sharing about ancient wisdom, together we're going to help fill that gap between science and spirituality. And most importantly, you're going to walk away with not just new knowledge, but the skills, the strategies, and techniques to empower yourself and break through the old stories and old limitations that we all tell ourselves. Looking forward to it.
Amazing. I'm looking forward. See you all there.
See you.